Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you what is a complex number. Now, to study complex number, first we need to know the definition of imaginary unit. Now, for the imaginary unit, we usually use the letter I to represent it. And the property of the imaginary unit is the square of I is equal to -1. So, in other words, I is equal to the square root of -1. I know this radical doesn't make any sense if we are talking about real number, but if we are talking about a complex number, this radical does exist. So after we see what is an imaginary unit, then the complex number, here is the definition. If A and B are real numbers, then any number of this form, A plus B times the imaginary unit I, is called a complex number. Now, in this complex number, the number A is called the real part, and the number B is called the imaginary part. And if A equals 0 and B is not equal to 0, the complex number is also called a pure imaginary number. So let me give you some example. Let's say 4 minus 3i. This is a complex number. And in this complex number, the real part is 4. And the imaginary part is not 3. The imaginary part, I know someone may see the imaginary part is 3. No, the imaginary part is -3. Why? Because remember, in this form, this is A plus B. So if we rewrite this number into this form, it will be 4 plus -3i. So that's why here the imaginary part is -3, not +3. And for this number 2i, this is a pure imaginary number. In this number, the real part A is 0, right? And the imaginary part B is 2.